baby. 97 TJ. 4-liter. 5-speed. Rubicon Express. 3.5-inch lift. Mickey Thompson 33-inch. With, I don't know if you can see that, slip yoke eliminator. And that big shit, spacing it out. Turns out the latches for some daystars. That was pretty good. Dirt works. Bumper with retard carrier. Hate the soft top, especially in this area. I feel like people want to steal it. It's cool though. Let me open it up. That's the only damage this car has, so I'm gonna see how much it's gonna cost me to fix. Other than that, interior is pretty good, all great. Everything else looks pretty good. And yeah, I'll have more videos about it soon. The next video I'm gonna do is going to be right here. People are trying to rob it, so that sucked. Not only that, but they fucking put a flathead cut through the middle, pop this out, so this doesn't even work all the time. So I'm gonna take it apart, and that'll be the next video. There's also a video of me putting the daystar latches, so if you guys want to see more videos about the Jeep or anything related to it, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to make a video. Oh, my bad. Rock sliders are dope. They're already it's a Raptor, like a Raptor coating for the truck, I believe. It's not line X or nothing, but it's still pretty good. It does the job. So if you guys like it, please hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos about it, and I'll just do this real quick just so you guys can see the inside. Go. AM intake. I hear it once it gets to like 3,000-4,000 RPM. Other than that, stock. Other than that, everything else is pretty stock on the car. Oh, it has a monster, Banks Monster exhaust, 410 gears. Let's see what else. AC headlights. Not that stock shit. Changing at the grill, gonna paint the hood, but right now I'm just gonna try to fix the door, because I feel people are gonna mess it up for me. I don't want them to. I love the car. So, like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.